Today, we're going to learn about patterns. The community swimming pool is leaking. The depth of the pool water is measured at 15-minute intervals. The results are shown below. If the water loss continues according to this pattern, when will the pool be empty? On your X side, the intervals are going by 15 minutes. To get from 12 to 12:15 is 15 minutes. To get from 12:15 to 12:30 is 15 minutes. And to get from 12:30 to 12:45 is 15 minutes. Now on your Y side, find what your intervals are going by. Subtract 105 and 100 to get to 5. Now what's 100 minus 90? 10 is correct. 90 minus 75 is 15. As you can see, your intervals are going by 5s. Add 5 more centimeters of water to get to 20. Subtract 20 and 75 to get to 55. Add 15 more minutes to get to 1 o'clock p.m. Add 5 more centimeters of water to get to 25. Subtract 25 and 55. That gets you to 30 centimeters. Add 15 more minutes to 1 o'clock. You're now at 1:15. Add 5 more centimeters to get to 30. Now subtract 30 and 30. Add 15 more minutes. And that gets you to 1:30. At 1:30 p.m., the pool will be empty. Bill is timing Megan to see how long it takes her to run different distances. What is the pattern to get from X to Y? Before you start, ask yourself, am I going to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? To get from 5 to 25, 6 to 36, and 7 to 49, you're going to multiply. To signify that you're multiplying, use a dot for multiplication. So 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times what gets you to 36? 7 times 7 gets you to 49. So the pattern to get from X to Y is to square your X. To square a number, you multiply the number by itself. When you are writing a square, you must put a small 2 on the top right of the number. The pattern below is a Fibonacci sequence. In this sequence, you take the 2 preceding terms and add them together to get your next number. If the pattern continued, what would X and Y be? Here's an example. Add 0 and 2 together to get 2. Now add 2 and 2 together to get 4. Add 2 and 4 together to get 6. Add 4 and 6 together to get 10. Add 6 and 10 together to get 16. Add 10 and 16 together to get 26. Now it's your turn. Get a pencil and paper and find X and Y. Did you find the answer? X would be 13 and Y would be 21. To find your answer, add 5 and 8 together to get 13 for your X. Now add 8 and 13 together to get 21 for your Y. You did awesome. Way to be a star.
Pattern, learning, pattern, learning, learning.
Patterns brought to you by Miss Wright, Miss Estes, Miss Caton, Bailey Reed, and Megan Anglin.